Welcome to BrainBox. So previous slide we discussed about female reproductive system primary sex organ, that is ovary. The next one, the secondary sex organs will be start. In the secondary sex organs we start with first womb. Secondary sex organs, or the first one is, generally it is having vagina and uterus are there, and there is a duct and glands. These are present. So first we start with vagina. Vagina, it is that highly acidic condition. Why it is maintained highly acidic pH condition? Because the urethra will be very smaller and it will be protect that outside micro organisms. It will be maintained that highly acidic condition. The next part is uterus. It's a very important structure. Uterus also called womb because the embryo will be developed in this area, uterus, womb, or hystero. It is also called hystero. So these are the two important names for uterus. Uterus is made up of three layers. The one is perimetrium, second one is myometrium, third one is endometrium. Perimetrium, myometrium and endometrium. Perimetrium, it is thin outer layer. Myometrium, it is made up of muscle, that important muscle, that is smooth muscle. You know that the smooth muscles are, it is involuntary. So it helps to contract and relaxation of uterus. So at the gastrulation period, that means that embryos are developed inside, it try to stretch that womb area to develop for the baby. Next one is endometrium. It is glandular area, glandular inner layer. Glandular inner layer. This is the second part of secondary sex organ. Next one is duct. The ducts are oviduct. Oviducts also called fallopian tube. In previous video I show that structure about complete female reproductive system. In that I show that fallopian tube parts also. The length of fallopian tubes are 10 to 15 centimeters in size, and the parts, what are the parts present here? At the tip it is a finger like projections. I said those are fimbria, but this one is not considered as a part, but the fimbrios are the terminal parts of next structure, flask shaped structure, that is infundibulum, which is flask shaped structure. Next one is, after infundibulum there is a structure ampulla. Here mostly the fertilization will be happen. Next one is isthmus. This isthmus structure, which is closer and it is narrow to the uterus, closer to uterus. Okay, so these are the secondary structures. And next one is mammary, the glands. The glands are Bartholin gland, which is a pair, one pair. Location, it will be located on external genitalia. Next gland is, first gland, second gland is Skinner's gland. These are also one pair located external genitalia. In that separate gland, that is third one, mammary gland. Mammary gland, common name, that is breast, the feeding of the baby, breast. So we will see these individually in the next videos. After secondary sex organs, the final one it is that external genitalia, vulva. So but in this video we try to describe the complete secondary sex organs. Those are secondary sex organs are vagina, uterus, and some ducts and also glands. The vagina, that is highly acidic condition area, narrow structure which is open to uterus. Uterus is the most important one. Here that embryos are developed. That uterus, that is womb and hystero will be there. It is made up of 3 layers. Outer layer will be thin, outer layer perimetrium. Inner will be composed with mostly the smooth muscle. The smooth muscles are helped to contract and relax that uterus. And lastly, endometrium. It is composed with glandular inner layer. The ducts are oviduct. It is also called fallopian tube. The length will be 10 to 15 centimeters. Parts are fimbriae, that is infundibulum, which is flask-shaped broad structure. The terminal part of fallopian tube, it is open with fimbria. So that means the fimbria is not a part, it is the terminal part of infundibulum. Next one is ampulla. It is that middle part of oviduct. Here that gametes, male and female gametes are fertilized and form a zygote. Next one, isthmus. It is very close to the uterus and it will be narrow structure. Now coming to the glands. The glands are located mostly 2 important glands, Bartholin gland and Skinner's gland. These 2 glands are located in the external genitalia, which help to secrete mucus. Well, I will write here. Both are secrete mucus. It is secrete mucus and this one also secrete mucus. So mainly these 2 gland functions are frictionless movement, that means act as a lubricants. Next one, mammary gland. We know that mammary gland, that is common name, it is breast, secretes milk to feed the baby. So these glands we'll discuss in the next slides. I hope you understand the complete concept about the female reproductive secondary sex organs. Thank you.